Hey there, boys and girls, it's Mr. Jones and I'm back with another YouTube video. So today on our learning channel, we're going to be taking a look at our grocery shopping task, the review that we're doing for it, and I'll provide you with some possible solutions for parts A through E of our task. So in our shopping task, we aim to demonstrate our understanding of place value, specifically with respect to decimal numbers in money form, and we want to show our addition and subtraction skills while working with money amounts. So part A is a word problem that goes like this. Mr. Jones has $15.50. He isn't sure he'll have enough to get all he needs at the store, so he stops at an ATM and takes out another $20. He also finds 35 cents on the floor of his car. How much money does Mr. Jones have? So first, a good idea is to sort of box in or highlight the important information in the question so that you don't miss out on any when it comes time to add them up. And the next thing you would do is add them up. I've just used standard algorithm here. It ends up being a very simple addition statement. Something to keep in mind, however, is the fact that in the question itself, I'll just go back here, you'll notice $20 is written without any decimal places after it, and 35 cents is written sort of improperly. It's written in just cents notation, but not in dollar notation, where you would have 35 in the two decimal places. So I've corrected that here in order for me to properly do this addition. Now, if I don't correct and I accidentally put the 35 in the dollars position, I end up with a very different answer. Part B, how much will the 6 items cost if Mr. Jones shops only at Sobeys? So we're going to take a look at this table, and I only need to pay attention to the numbers under the Sobeys category here. So I'm going to take a look at those, and there's a number of ways that we could add those up using different strategies, and whatever works best for you is totally fine. In this case, I've just done standard algorithm just because it's sort of the simplest one to include in this explanation. But if you wanted to, you could sort of add pairs of these and then take those answers and add those up if that's easier. You definitely don't have to add it all at once like I've done here. So the solution would be $15.85 is the total cost of the groceries at Sobeys. Part C, how much will Mr. Jones have left over? So I should be more clear, how much money would Mr. Jones have left over? So again, another simple standard algorithm, this time subtraction statement, and we end up with $20 even. So it looks like Mr. Jones didn't actually need to go to the ATM. How much would Mr. Jones spend if he can price match? So we talked about price matching in class. Remember, price matching is when you choose the lowest price for each item. So we're going to take a look at pasta. We're going to find which of these is the lowest price. It looks like the Food Basics price of 89 cents is lowest. And you'll do the same throughout the rest of it, which I've done here, and I've bolded and changed the font color to red. Now we're going to take those, and again, we can stack them up and use standard algorithm, or you can add any other adding strategy that you want. We talked about horizontal adding and other adding strategies in class, so you can do whatever you're comfortable with. And in this case, we end up with $13.91 as our total. So the last part of your task, how much would Mr. Jones save by price matching? So again, we've got another subtraction statement here. Ignore this little one in the corner. I'm not sure why that ended up there. And when you go through and sort of use our standard algorithm, we end up with $1.94. So that's how much Mr. Jones will save on his grocery items. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this clarifies and helps you figure out how you did with our review task on Thursday. If you have any questions, please message me on Moodle Cloud, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, thanks for watching.